In this video, we will show you how to fix the Herman Miller Embody's arm adjustment mechanism. The stopper might be loose, or the spring might be overstretched, so let's find out how to fix that. Before we begin, we've created this diagram to help you identify the parts. You can come back to it to check it anytime throughout the video. Start by removing the screws using a torque screwdriver. Remove the arm end cap, or part number 7 as shown, and hook the spring on the side for now. Using a screwdriver and plier, remove the metal lever cap and arm height lever button. Those parts are number 4 and 3. Please note that if you don't remove the metal lever clip first, you might damage the arm and it will become dysfunctional. Now, take the arm apart. A flathead screwdriver could make the loosening process easier. Now you need to insert the arm height stopper, or part number 5. Then hook the spring as shown. Note the gap in the arm. The stopper must click through it. You should insert the pulley height mechanism, or part number 1, into the arm. To handle the pulley height mechanism, or part number 1, easily, use a plier to guide it until the stopper clicks into the gap. You can hook the spring temporarily on the side for now. Next, insert the arm height lever button, or part number 3. Then add the metal lever clip, or part number 4, as shown. Most likely, there will be an existing mark to indicate where the clip should be added. Now, put the arm back together by inserting the interior arm sleeve, or part number 2. The spring needs to be hooked into the arm end cap, or part number 7. If it makes it easier, pull the spring using a plier. Hook the spring and slide the arm end cap into the arm. Finally, slide the arm all the way out and insert the height arm rail, or part number 6. Then, complete the process by sliding the armrest in as shown. And that's it! Now your Herman Miller Embody arm is good to go. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials and exclusive updates.